Hey, good afternoon guys, it's YZ here, and today I'm actually going to be flying on Turkish Airlines from Istanbul to Athens on business class, so I'm looking forward a lot to this moment. So as you may know, Istanbul airport is quite large, and the thing is that it's very over capacity. With business class privileges, I hope I will be able to clear security and immigration faster. So this is the check-in for Turkish Airlines business class. Just got my boarding pass right here. We are gonna go to the business class lounge. That is the thing I'm looking forward to the most. Security just took like 5 minutes. It's actually really fast. Same with immigration as well. Feels like a shopping mall, to be honest. Right ahead, I think it's the Turkish Airlines lounge. So apparently all you have to do is to scan your boarding pass. Scan in. I'm late. 5 o'clock, I need to get my gate right now. Alright, so just outside the gate right now. So up here, they're just boarding people right now, so it's not too bad. Alright, off we go. This here is my baby for the next 2 hours. Basically, you need to climb over someone just to get somewhere, to the bathroom. On the downside, the TV is so far away from me, so I have to actually go pretty close by. Okay, so there's the remote here. There's some USB power and the headphones. On the upside there's power on the very back there. I just got given some nuts by the waitress. Time to give a table a try.
So you put a table, and then you heavy, and then you slide it towards you, and then you go up.
And that's what it looks like. Damn, I had difficulty pulling up this table. Furthermore, if you tilt the lounge, if you click this button there, you can just move the table around as you wish. It's time to check in the menu. Beverages, so some juices, soft drinks, hot drinks. I want to get some tea again, I think. Alright, so guess it's what they offer for us business class people. Good stuff. So if boarding is complete, that means I should have an empty seat right next to me. I got some headphones. So this is what it looks like. Nice. So these are what the headphones look like. But they have, it's a plain port, so you have to attach it to it. So I actually just settled down, and they're going through the safety video right now. Off we go. Light for reading. Thank you. Oh, nice hot towel. Nice hot towel. Refresh yourself. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Ooh, it's a lot of food. I guess I'll just get I'll get this one, please.
Right?
Yep. That's it. Yep. Thank you. And that's our meal. Thank you. Thank you so much. So that's my Turkish tea that just came in. Alright, so we've got the lamb, some mushrooms or eggplant, right? Not sure what's here. Potatoes, I think. Some fish. Oh, seafood, prawns and stuff, and salmon. That's your bread. That's your mini cheese platter, and your salad, and that's your dessert there. Oh, I'm looking forward to this meal. Look, I unwrapped it, and the cutlery comes, oh, it's actually pork loin cutlery. Oh, metal cutlery actually, but it comes in a plastic bag. First things first, I'm actually going to go through the lamb chops. Oh, okay, that's pretty bouncy. Good stuff. That is, I think it's potato or egg. Can't tell. Here we go. This. Oh, oh, it actually just pulls. Oh my god. Unbelievable. How good is that? Oh yeah, that's so good. Seafood. Stuff it. It's sour, it's decent. Okay, prawn. It's okay, still regular prawns. Tomato and this, the pasta. That's not too bad. Maybe the fish is the one that's not. Smoked fish. Take that. Good. I'm gonna try the salmon now. Oh, and it's grilled underneath some zucchini. Bit of a salmon. It's good smoked salmon. More stuff. It's done. Zucchini. Make home. Could be better. Last bite. Salad. Use this dressing salad and I'm just gonna pour it on all over. Shit, is this oil? Grab this. Grab some stuff. I think the salad's not that great. Nothing special. I'm gonna get some of that tea as well. Finally, the carbohydrates and the sweets. Dessert. What is in this dessert? I don't know. This looks like ice cream. No, it's not ice cream. It's the whole inside. It's just regular cream. It's the whole ton of chocolate inside. Oh, that's really sweet. Not too much of a fan. I'll leave that. No, that is done. I've pretty much eaten everything. I don't want to eat any of this. This is good. This is okay. These generally good. That's okay. That's shit. I don't like salad. That was dinner done. That was actually a very big dinner for a business class flight. That's only like 1 hour and 30 minutes long. It's really, really good. If only Turkish Airlines could fly to Sydney. If they could fly to Sydney, I'll fly with them in a heartbeat. So now I'm actually going to try the entertainment system. So my flight, let's try that. It's actually touchscreen, so it's not as bad as I thought. Right, so that's what it'll show. We're Istanbul. We're getting close to Athens. I don't know if we can do touchscreen on that though. There's not much to see. Alright, now we go back to the menu, and then we go to... Oh! They have Pac-Man as well. 8-ball classic. Oh, the fact it's actually touchscreen, you can actually go down. One last thing I need to remember to try is the recline. That's it. So I'm continuously pressing the thing and it should eventually make a bed for me. Alright, good. So I fell down. That's the light flat there. This is close. As you can see, there's a lot of leg room left. So judge for yourself. I'm 168 centimeters. Here I am in the Turkish Airlines laboratory for business class. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Tissues. Your mirror. Not much here. More tissues. There's the sink. The sink looks okay. Is anything for free? Anything I can get? No, not. extremely heavy landing.
We'd also like to say goodbye and hope to meet you again. As a member of the airline, thank you for flying with Turkish Airlines and Asian Airlines codeshare flight.
Welcome to Athens. It's night time already, 9 p.m. or past that already. Okay, so clearing customs is really fast now. I'm just waiting for my luggage. Luggage thing's taking a while. Alright, so now I'm at my Airbnb. Okay, just a few notes about that Turkish Airlines flight. That was pretty good. What I did remember that was good was the food. For a 1 hour flight, or 1 hour and 30 minutes, the food was like really good. There was a lot of it as well. The check-in process was really fast. Immigration was really fast as well. Security also pretty standard as well, pretty fast. The best part to take away from this flight was the lounge. The business class lounge makes the biggest difference to this flight, so that's why. If I flew Turkish itself without the lounge, I don't think it'll be that as great as Malaysia or Thai Airways, for that matter. As for the service itself, it's pretty decent, but it's more like they'll give you service when you ask for it. They wouldn't go out of their way to asking for you for service. That's just on that flight from what I've noticed. Not sure if it's true for the other flights. Toilets was okay. Immigration in Athens was fine, so you don't get an express queue, you just have to join in the normal queue. As for my luggage, I actually got it along with the normal people, so even though I had express priority style lines, didn't really help in this case. I'm going to make this video into 2 parts. So the first part will be the flight and the second part will be the lounge itself, okay? So, hope you all enjoy. Until next time, see you all.